Can just changing a transmission fluid to a higher quality lubricant make your transmission shift faster, smoother, and have the ability to last twice as long? Today, my name's Eben, your oil and lubricant specialist. We're talking about the 100% synthetic AMSOIL Automatic Transmission Fluid. This meets and exceeds the specifications for about, I would say 60–70% of all the automatic transmissions on the road. If you go back to about 2000, all the way back to the 50s, almost all those vehicles take what's called multi-vehicle automatic transmission fluid. What this does is it creates a higher film strength, so you have less friction, less heat in your transmission, and you also have a significantly smoother shift in cold temperatures because of the higher quality anti-freezing additives that are in this product. This has up to double the severe service capability on a service interval. So for that lubricant to oxidize that much slower, it has to be about 4 times better, because as lubricants oxidize, they oxidize exponentially. So for every 18 degrees hotter a lubricant runs, it oxidizes at twice the rate. So if you want extra protection, where you want your transmission to be able to last twice as long with your fluid, you want to get this product immediately at syntheticoilprotection.net. I will be here for you as your oil lubricant specialist. My name's Eben. We'll see you on the next video. Check this one out.